Hi, welcome to Copenhagen. Thanks for dropping in. Today I am having a look at day number 9 of the 2024 Diamond Painting Advent Calendar from Diamond Art Club. So, number 9. So we'll try again. See if we can open this one without tearing it. I have no confidence at all, but we'll give it a try. And actually this time I didn't tear anything. So inside number 9 we have Diamond Painting 2D Ornament. Okay, I can tell I am going to have to take the box off the table so I can tip this out. There's no way I'm going to get my fingers in there. So here we go again. Take it off, tip the box up and see if I can get the box out. Maybe I should have got my wife to do this part. Okay, we have it. So this is day number 9. Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. Diamond Painting 2D Ornament. I have no idea what this is going to look like. So again, Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. I like the little sleighs. Just little touches like that. So we look at the back. Diamond Painting 2D Ornament Kit Contents. Ornament and hanging ribbon ×1. Superior quality diamonds, toolkit not included. The reason that the toolkit is not included is because with the Advent calendar we have already so many toolkits, so you don't need a toolkit for every single thing. So some of the things don't have a toolkit, but it isn't a problem because we had, for example, the 2 diamond paintings and we got toolkits in both of them. So we'll open it up. Not really sure what to expect. Again, use the scissors because there's tape here. And let's see what this is. Very curious about it. We've got drills and an assembly guide. Oh. We'll look at the assembly guide last. So I think because I'm so curious, we'll have a look at this first. Maybe the light would help. So it's in a resealable bag, so we'll take it out. Okay, that is different. So we have 2 wooden snowflakes with bells inside, and they are printed on both sides. And I think I can figure this one out. It looks like they... no, I can't. Shouldn't have said that. Yeah, I think I was right. Maybe I should read the instructions, but you know how it is, you don't read the instructions unless you really have to. Right, okay, I know it's going to happen, but I don't want to ruin the clear cover. So basically, this one will slide down into this one, and then we have a 3D diamond painting ornament. So no matter where you look at it, you're going to see the bells and the snowflake. As I said, I don't want to push it up because I don't want to damage the clear cover. So that is what it is. Wooden, again, it won't crack like plastic might do if it was tight and you try to push it. Plastic has a habit of cracking. So I like the fact that they're made of wood. Nice little design, snowflake, 2 bells, a bow and some holly. And have a look at the drills as well. So again, 2D ornament to get the label. And if we open it up, we get the drills. These drills are different, the golden ones. The drill is yellow, but it has a gold coating on it. So that is going to be very, very shiny. And then we have white, red and green. So yeah, very nice. And just in case you're not sure where the colours go, they are numbered 1, 2, 3 and 4. And on the ornament you can see the numbers as well. So you put it together, there's a little hole at the top and we get a little resealable bag, and it has a little ribbon in it. And if you actually look at the ribbon, it says Diamond Art Club. So I could see this hanging on the Christmas tree, a unique Christmas tree ornament from Diamond Art Club. So day 9 was a 2D diamond painting ornament, and I realise I forgot to read the instructions. Like most guys, you do not read the instructions unless you really have to. So I will read the instructions. So assembly guide, 3 steps. 1, place the diamonds onto both sides of the ornament plates. 2, slot the completed plates together to achieve a 2D finish. 3, use the included string to securely hang your finished ornament. So yeah, it is pretty easy. So yeah, this will be hanging on our Christmas tree this year, and we can tell everybody every year, yeah, that was the 2D diamond painting ornament that we got in the Diamond Art Club 2024 Advent Calendar. Unusual, different, again, good one for the kids, I think. Really simple design, easy to put together. It's made of wood. You don't have to worry about the plastic cracking and the kids maybe cutting themselves. So again, really well thought through. And yeah, it's definitely different. We don't have anything like this. So just a different little ornament to hang on the Christmas tree. So that was day 9. We are getting near to the end. The next video will be day 10. So if you want to see what it is, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button. If you do that, you will get a message when the next video comes up. And in the meantime, take care, be safe and wash your hands.